In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Google Drive. This simple and effective way of sharing will make collaborating with others a breeze. Let's dive right in. To start, you need to head over to Google Drive, open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, as you'll need access to your files stored on Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in, so just enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're in, navigate to the file you want to share. You can find this by browsing through your folders or by simply using the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. When you found the file, move your cursor over it, right click, and a menu will appear. In this menu, you're going to select the option labeled Share. This is your key to opening up the options for how you'd like to share this particular document. With the sharing options open, you have two primary ways to share your file: entering an email address or generating a shareable link. If you know the email addresses of the people you want to share with, simply type them into the field provided. As you type, Google Drive might even suggest contacts to expedite the process. If you're sharing with a larger audience or want to post the link somewhere, opt for the Get Link option. This will generate a clickable link that you can copy and distribute as needed. Now, before you finish, an important step is to set the permissions. Google Drive allows you to determine what level of access the people you're sharing with will have. There are three primary roles you can assign. The viewer role lets people see the file, but they can't make any changes. This option is perfect for when you just need someone to read over a document or access information without altering it. The commenter role is a bit more interactive. It allows people to leave comments and suggestions, but still keeps the original content safe and unchanged. This is great for collaboration where feedback is needed. Lastly, the editor role gives full access to make modifications to the content. Use this role when working closely with others to develop or alter a project. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to sharing your files on Google Drive. By following these steps, you can ensure effortless collaboration and secure sharing of your documents. Practice these steps to become proficient, and you'll find that working with others becomes much smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.